Professor Philippi here, and welcome to my office. Now that you've decided on a project, it's time to analyze your project. In this week's assignment, you will take a closer look and a more detailed look at the project's processes. Even though you've done this process a million times, this week's assignment is designed to give you new insight into your chosen process. Specifically, in Assignment 2, you will take the process improvement project defined in Assignment 1 and analyze that process for waste or non-value added activities. Waste is defined in your readings and in the lecture, but a real simple definition is that waste is anything that does not add value. So let's walk through the assignment. The first thing you're going to want to do is review the online lecture and make sure that you read pages 12 through 15 in the Lean Pocket Handbook. Once you examine the assignment, scroll to the bottom. Open the Waste Audit template. You're going to want to use this in your submission. Next, read through Assignment 2's students' FAQs, those frequently asked questions. And lastly, read the grading rubric. That way you'll know my specific expectations for your submission. Back to the specific assignment. The waste audit. After completing this with the readings, you should have sufficient knowledge to critically identify any of the wastes in your process. Make sure that you challenge your current thinking about the process when analyzing any of these potential issues. You're going to see waste like you never saw it before. Now, within the template, it has a number of categories. You want to walk through your process and find 3 wastes for each type of category. Some of those wastes can be in multiple categories. You're going to have to choose one. I'm sure your process will have enough wastes so that you'll have 3 for each and every category, because I'm looking for that. Now, the next step is very important. You need to analyze the waste. Select any of the process tools covered in the textbook, the supplemental articles, or in the lectures. You will use that tool to evaluate the process. You can use any tool in the supplemental articles or the lecture, but you cannot use the is not tool or the 5 whys tool. Review your process using that tool and make sure you include that in your submission. The next thing you need to do is review the audit. And basically that is review the results of this assignment with all the process owners or stakeholders that you outlined in Assignment 1. And lastly, you're going to want to identify any lessons learned, any challenges, experiences along the ways. Again, I look for these. I want to know what you can generalize, what you can use for future projects or future assignments within this class. With that, go forward, make the leap.